Database and DBMS. So I have told you what is a database. A database is organized collection of related data so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Organized collection means it should be some collection of like record of some students, record of some employees. A database, DBMS software, database management system, is a software program that enable you to modify and extract data from a database. There are two types of database I have told you. Database is of two types. DBMS and RDBMS. RDBMS. It is abbreviated as Database Management System. Database Management System, and it is relational database management, relational database management system. So these are the two type of database: relational and database management system and relational database management system. So in this chapter we will study about relational database management system. We have एग्जाम्पल है रिलेशनल डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का ऑरेकल कंपनी के बारे में आपने सुना होगा, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल एंड माई एसक्यूएल, ये रिलेशनल डेटाबेस सिस्टम है. नाउ वी हैव some advantage of database also. What we will study? We have some advantage of database also. Why do we need to study advantage of database? Why do we need to study advantage of database? हम database use क्यों करते हैं? Because it has so many advantages over here. Advantage of database. The first one is reduce data redundancy. What is reducing data redundancy? Data redundancy means when we have multiple copies of the same data. Redundancy का मतलब होता है when we have multiple copies of same data. मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ ऑफ सेम डेटा, तो हम उसको रिड्यूस कर देते हैं. वी कैन रिड्यूस द मल्टीपल कॉपी ऑफ सेम डेटा, जिसके लिए वी हैव सम टेक्निक्स लाइक प्राइमरी की, फॉरेन की. प्राइमरी की, फॉरेन की. We have some keys like primary key and foreign keys through which we can reduce data redundancy.